If your Samsung Tab A7 suddenly won't turn on, don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you through simple, proven fixes that have worked for thousands of Samsung tablet owners. Let's get started. Step 1. Check the battery. Before assuming your tablet is broken, you need to confirm that it's actually receiving power. A Samsung tablet with a fully drained battery can appear completely dead for over 20 to 30 minutes, showing absolutely nothing on the screen. Use the original Samsung charger and cable if possible. Leave the tablet charging for at least 30 minutes and ideally up to 1 to 2 hours, even if it looks unresponsive. Step 2. Force restart. One of the most effective fixes is performing a force restart. To force restart a Samsung Tab A7, press and hold the power button and volume down button together for 20 to 30 seconds without letting go. Even if nothing appears on screen, keep holding until you either feel a vibration or see the Samsung logo appear. If the first attempt fails, try again while the tablet is still connected to its charger. Step 3. Enter recovery mode. If force restarting doesn't work, the next goal is to get into Android recovery mode, which lets you perform deeper repairs. Even if the screen looks black, your tablet may still allow you to enter recovery. Start by holding power plus volume down for 10 to 15 seconds to force it off, then wait a few seconds. Now press and hold power plus volume up at the same time. Keep holding both buttons until you see the Samsung logo. When you do, release only the power button and continue holding volume up until the recovery menu appears. Step 4. Wipe cache partition. Once you're in recovery mode, the first action to try is wiping the cache partition, which does not delete your personal data. Use the volume buttons to scroll to the option that says Wipe Cache Partition and press the power button to select it. Confirm when prompted, and the system will clear damaged cache files. After that, select Reboot System Now. If the problem was due to a bad cache file, your tablet should restart normally. Step 5. Perform factory reset. If wiping the cache doesn't help, the next option is a factory reset, but this should only be done as a last resort because it erases all your data. From the recovery menu, use the volume buttons to highlight Wipe Data/Factory Reset. Press the power button to select it and confirm your choice when asked. After the reset is complete, select Reboot System Now. If the issue was software related, your Tab A7 should now boot to the setup screen. If none of the previous steps worked, it's likely your tablet has a hardware failure, which is very common in aging devices or tablets that had battery issues. A technician can test the battery and charging components to determine if the device is worth repairing. Samsung service centers can also diagnose motherboard issues or replace the display if that's the cause.